What is a grease trap? A grease trap is a plumbing device to intercept fat, oil, and grease. It is also to prevent the clogging of waste line with grease and to avoid the accumulation of oil particles inside the sewage system. The maintenance of a standard grease trap requires a high cost of operation, labor intensive, and is harmful for the workers.
First, water from the kitchen grease trap will flow out through an inlet pipe. Second, grease that is less dense than water will float above the water, while food solid that is more dense than water will sink. Third, wastewater will flow out through crossover pipe into the secondary tank. And lastly, the wastewater will flow out through outlet pipe to sewage pipe.
Now we move to problem statement. First, pollution. Food waste mostly contribute to river pollution. Second is stinky odor. Most food waste consists of oil, melted fat, fat pieces, meat and vegetable scrap that will produce foul smell after quite some time.
Third, high cost. The cost need to repair and maintain the clogged pipes due to solidification.
To design a smart maintenance system based on the Internet of Things IOT to do the maintenance service for the kitchen grease trap.
The novelty of our product is first, cost efficient, second, innovative design, and third, the application on Internet of Things.
For the prototype, there are 7 components that we use, that are lead acid battery, hose, water tank, Arduino, ultrasonic sensor, turbidity sensor, and centrifugal mini pump.
From the chat below, we can see that how does our autonomous grease trap based on the Internet of Things works when it is operated using an Arduino.
How the system works. First, we have turbidity sensor to check the quality of the water. Then, we have ultrasonic sensor to check the volume of the water and also collect control parameter and send input data to Arduino. For the Arduino, it counteracts the input data according to the coding. We also have centrifugal pump to equate water whenever the data received is controlled up with the coding uploaded. We use link apps to show data received from the sensors. For the benefits, it reduces the burden of maintenance workers. It prevents contractors from facing illness that are related from cleaning activities such as skin diseases and typhoid. It also restrains water pollution by minimizing any risk of failure or water discharge. Hence, it is proven that our grease trap is the best among the others. With gratitude, our products have positive impact that can change our life to become harmless. For the use of our grease trap, it is visible to restaurants, hawkers, schools, and also hotels.
In the conclusion, our grease trap is implemented in any other country as it is parallel to the fourth industry or 4.0 revolution with the usage of Internet of Things IoT that has been embedded.
The untreated kitchen wastewater generated from the commercial kitchen operation without a proper disposal method has been causing numbers of sewage piping clogging cases in recent years. The irregular schedule of executing grease trap maintenance will lower the efficiency of removing fat, oil and grease, and food residue in wastewater and automatically carry out the cleaning maintenance tasks to the grease trap. Consequently, a pressure issue has happened due to these problems such as flooding, water contamination, and toxic gas released to the environment. As a solution, we have used an autonomous grease trap maintenance system based on Internet of Things IoT as countermeasures for the growing problem.
A standard grease trap requires an intensive and frequent cleaning proportional with the amount of grease that it has trapped inside its tank. By comparing this requirement with our autonomous grease trap, we can monitor the tank's condition without human intervention. It allows us to clean the tank when it is necessary and avoid the clogging of pipelines by taking early measures to prevent it from happening in the first place.
The autonomous grease trap wastewater removal is about 81.64% compared to a standard grease trap which falls to 50% after a few months of use. The autonomous grease trap cleaning schedule is once every 3 months. It is convenient, efficient, save costs and fulfills the maintenance requirement according to authority.
Hi everyone, I am Hazika and I am going to explain about some of the components in our autonomous grease trap and how it has reduced the turbidity sewage value. 7 components are integrated within our innovation, which are lead acid battery, Arduino, centrifugal mini pump, water tank, hose, and turbidity and ultrasonic sensor. We use the 1/4 rule of grease trap regulation implemented by using the pump to discharge the wastewater to avoid exceeding 25% volume of grease trapped inside. We use nephelometric turbidity units, also known as NTU, to measure the turbidity of sewage water using the turbidity and ultrasonic sensor. As a result, the autonomous grease trap has reduced the turbidity sewage value from 2,305 NTU to 1,269 NTU after conducting maintenance surveys. We implement the application of Internet of Things, also known as IOT, in maintaining our grease trap for live monitoring and accurately predict the failure of devices based on the condition report from sensors to identify the failure patterns and recognize the real problem inside the grease trap. Hence, our autonomous grease trap resulted in reduced maintenance costs and a more ergonomic and user-friendly interface for the user with automatic functioning capability.
From the result we obtained, our grease trap users have successfully tackled the issue of cost management, pollution, and human resource.